What do you think of this? Part of becoming a full human is learning to stand up for yourself. That so often gets confused with defense, right? It's a completely different thing, though. Defense comes from feeling bad about yourself, being spring loaded, ready to protect your own weakness. Standing up for yourself, on the other hand, comes from a good, healthy relationship with yourself. It's knowing your value, it's knowing your truth, and it comes out of a strong commitment to self care. Now, when you do stand up for yourself, you'll often get pushback. Most of the people who wronged you did so because they're either self involved, they're reactive, manipulative, or they lack empathy, or all of the above. So why would they suddenly attend to your well-being when you take a stand? No, it's likely that you won't get what you need from the other person, but you know what you will get? And this is the whole point of it. When you stand up for yourself, you'll get what you need from yourself.